Ibotta. Bank verification problems are usually caused by connection issues, incorrect account details, or problems linking your financial account. By the end, you'll know the steps to check when Ibotta cannot verify your bank account and what to try before contacting support. Start by checking that the bank information you entered is correct. Make sure the account details match the information connected to your bank. A mismatch can prevent verification from completing. Next, check your internet connection and try linking your bank account again. A weak connection can interrupt the verification process and stop Ibotta from completing the connection. If you are using the Ibotta app, update it through your device's app store. An outdated app version can cause features like account connections and verification tools to work incorrectly. After updating, close the app completely and reopen it before trying again. You can also log out of Ibotta and sign back in to refresh your account session. If your bank still will not verify, check whether your bank is supported by the connection service used by Ibotta. Some financial institutions may have limitations that prevent automatic verification. Another option is trying the process from a different device or browser if you are using Ibotta on the web. This helps determine whether the issue is caused by your device or the account connection itself. Avoid repeatedly entering incorrect information because multiple failed attempts can make the verification process harder to complete. If the problem continues, contact Ibotta support through the official help section. Include the email connected to your Ibotta account, the bank you are trying to connect, and any error message you see. Screenshots of the verification problem can help support identify what is preventing the connection. The main fixes are simple. Confirm your bank details, update Ibotta, refresh your login, and check whether your bank can be connected. Open Ibotta and review your account connection settings before trying the verification process again. Subscribe for more Ibotta guides, cashback app fixes, and reward app troubleshooting videos. And like the video if this helped you fix your bank verification issue.